So, hi guys. Sorry I didn't say hi yet. It is, I don't even know what day of the month it is, but we're in June and we're like 4 days, I think, away from Naomi's second birthday. So we'll be getting that together here soon here for her. What was I in here for? Oh, sandwich baggies. Yeah, so we'll be putting that together for Naomi soon. I also want to start making me some bread, some sourdough bread. So I think I'm going to get into that this week. Robin, if you are new to my channel, Robin is my bestie. And we live in Tennessee now, Nashville, Tennessee. And she's still over in Houston. But I am gonna chat with her on the phone, and we're going to I'm gonna teach her how to make sourdough. So I'm super excited about that for me and her, because I'm gonna get ours going. And oh shoot, can I see if there's jelly leaves? I didn't mark them. Oh, we'll find out. So, super excited to make some sourdough, because I've gone without sourdough for like 3 months now. Girl is fiending for some sourdough. I already got all my stuff out here for it. So, we're gonna do that soon. What else? Oh, I need to fill up the hydro jugs. Probably do one, fill up the cups, and then do a hydro jug to take. We can't have nobody like dehydrated around here. This is Max. Fill his up. I will do a house tour for you guys soon enough of the new house here in Tennessee. I'm just trying to get like the boxes somewhat gone before I show you guys the house, so you can fully see the house without all these boxes everywhere. So stay following my channel for that, because we're gonna have that. I started potty training Naomi yesterday. We're gonna take it slow. I ain't trying to stress myself out. She's already like interested, so I've heard also second borns and girls are easier to potty train, and she's both, so I don't know if I mentioned this, I think I have, but I started cybersecurity training with Coursera with Google, and so that's going well. I was not feeling good yesterday. I had a migraine headache, so I didn't get on yesterday, but definitely tonight I'll be doing like 2 hours before I go to bed. So that's happening. What else do I need to update you guys on? I think that's it. Alexander's. Fill his up. Hello. We are going to the Smokies to camp with my brother next month. And I have all these marshmallows I need to. Oh, I have chocolate for them. Cool. Bag. We got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I got 2 peanut butter sandwiches, just in case you don't like the jelly.
Which ones?
You'll see. So this one's just peanut butter.
Box.
Yeah, we're sharing it. Hold on, I'm getting it, girl. See if she likes it. Dad. This one's peanut butter and jelly as well.
Daddy?
Yep, peanut butter and jelly.
Let me do it across the way.
I want peanut butter and jelly too.
You want jelly?
No, I want peanut butter.
Okay, here's peanut butter. Go for it, dude.
We also have 2 apples.
Yep, and apples we can share.
Dada.
You like it, Naomi?
Mama, Dada.
Mm-hmm. Eat your sandwich.
I think I'm gonna slice. I'm gonna slice my 2 apples to share it with Dada,
Well, I didn't.
Mimi, and Mama.
Oh, thank you. I didn't slice them up so we can just take bites out of them. Yeah?
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna get an apple and a sandwich.
Okay.
Apple.
I'm gonna have an apple.
Apple seed.
Look. Look.
Apple.
Mm-hmm.
Apple.
Tell you what.
I'm gonna sit over there, Nate.
Mint.
If you need help. Look at a pretty view of all the trees.
Apple.
Here, take a bite.
Where's that ant?
Okay, don't drop it.
Ants only like going in the grass.
Like everything. Ants like everything.
Give Mama your juice.
Come here, give me your juice.
The fiction only wakes up at night. My fiction.
What infection?
Fiction means your eyes are blinking a lot.
You're... Do it. Push hard. Take off. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Ah. Get it, Naomi. Get it.
That's not how you make an earthworm. That's how you make a snail worm.
Good morning.
Hi. Hi. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Naomi. Good morning. Say good morning. Can you say good morning?
Mommy. I'm gonna have to eat 4.
Do y'all like it? Ah, what are you licking me for? Do y'all like the sand pit? Yes.
Papa, time. Thanks.
Are y'all done? Y'all want to go inside for a little bit?
Nope. I'm still in place. No, hey.
Well, I think we need to go take a shower. Get the sand off. Yeah. I know. Let's clean up our sand toys, put them in the buckets, and we'll go take a bath, get clean, and then we'll find something new to do. Okay? Uh-oh, into the sand bucket, Bubba. Into the sand pit. In the, what is that? A turtle. Do it, girl. Do it.
Peekaboo.
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 Okay, let's come put this thing together. We're putting together a huge sandwich because Mickey Mouse ate a huge sandwich. And Alex thinks he's gonna eat this whole thing, and I explained to him he can only eat like a third of it. And we're gonna share it because Mickey Mouse is a cartoon, and that's why Mickey Mouse can eat it, right? You want me to put it together, or you putting it together?
I'm putting it together.
Well, come on, dude. You know what? Go put on a shirt first.
Okay.
All right, Alex. What do you need first? What do you want to put on here first? What did Mickey Mouse do?
Mickey Mouse did he just put on the ketchup?
You put on the ketchup? Just put it everywhere.
Squirted on.
Okay, this one.
Be careful with it.
You do the top?
Nope.
Okay. Push harder. There you go. Get it on there.
Don't go too heavy with it. That's a lot of ketchup here.
Okay.
Let's slow down. Let's slow down. Let's slow
Okay.
down.
Now some mustard.
Honey mustard.
Okay, this comes out really fast. Okay.
It's gotta be consumed by everybody.
Let me help you. Not upside down. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze.
This one doesn't need to squeeze.
This one just pours. No, don't squeeze
Don't
it.
squeeze this one.
More?
I think that's enough.
That's
You think?
enough. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, what else? What's
Now
next?
we need our lettuce.
There you go. No, don't do one leaf at a time. And place it on there. Yeah. There you go. You don't have to tear it. You can put that right there. Yeah.
But wait, it's not gonna be perfect. It'll
okay.
hang out a
Keep,
little bit.
Keep going. You got some more spots. It's okay. You don't have. You can hang
Oh,
out.
but you got a lot of lettuce to put on. It's all right.
Here. Here.
That's all the lettuce we need.
Are you sure? Maybe one more on the end here. And maybe one more right here.
Maybe one right there.
One right here. Okay.
That's all of them.
Now what? Now what?
Now we need the sausage.
The sausages?
You want to cut them in half, Mom? Long ways?
No.
So they fan out more?
Do we want to cut them in half? Make it cover more?
I want it like this.
Okay, like this.
Like that.
They're hot, so let me do it. Okay.
Your hands won't get hurt.
Well, Mommy's
Mommy's super strong. She's heat resistant.
He's super heat, Mom.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Mama's already so hot she can handle it.
Now we put on the other bun.
Now the other
You
bun.
don't want the cheese bun?
I'm gonna
No,
do it.
that's for us.
I'm
Oh, okay. You're gonna do it. Okay. Okay.
Our recipe master here. This is all your concoction.
Okay, Alex.
This is our recipe.
This is your recipe.
Okay, get down, Alex. Get down here. I'm gonna hand it to you. You got your phone on your desk? You take a picture of him. Stand right there, Alex. You ready? Can you hold that? Hold it. It's hot. It's a little too hot, huh? Do we want it to cool down first? Okay. How about we flip it over so you get the pretty side on top? All right. You like the lettuce on there? That's good, huh?
Oh yeah.
Y'all, I've got a clean kitchen. Isn't it so cute and little? It's my cute little kitchen. The kids and the hubby are up there playing video games at the moment. Hold on. I'm using my phone to vlog with. Oh, I forgot to clean my air fryer. So, not completely clean, but we're gonna get there. And I am drinking a cup of coffee because I plan on staying up and reading my book. Me and Robin are reading Crave at the moment. The first book of a 6-book series, I think. So that's exciting. I cleaned all my floors today. And yes, I had a bowl on the counter because I am eating some leftovers that I made, some fried rice, and these were pork ribs that I put in a teriyaki sauce in the pressure cooker, and it was so good. So I'm gonna eat on that a little bit later again. So I'm gonna store it in there. It's probably what you shouldn't do, but that's what I do because I can't eat that much. So I'm trying to get back into vlogging, as you can see, but it's been a lot going on. We're starting to get more and more boxes out of here. I got some boxes over here that need to go to the trash, recycle. So we're slowly, every week, chipping away at that, but then it feels like it's not getting chipped away because I end up unpacking some more boxes and putting boxes into the pile, so whatever. This has been my little spot to work at now, because I got it cleared out in here. So now I've been working here at the breakfast table and I open the windows while Naomi's napping, and I'll sit there and do my schoolwork. So yeah, just a little update. It's just gonna be me talking on and off, in and out. So I'm gonna be getting things ready in this house soon because next week or the week after, my sister's coming into town and she's gonna stay with us for a couple weeks. Kind of a couple weeks. We are gonna go camping in the Smokies, so we're getting ready for camping, and then we're gonna come back here because we're gonna go camping for a couple days, and then we're gonna come back here and she's gonna hang out here with Blaze while we go to Texas to visit family. And then when we come back, I'm hoping she stays a little bit longer so we can still visit, but I understand if she wants to get back home. So I'm gonna be vlogging all of that, hopefully.
I think we need to collect these. And I like to collect off these. What is that off the present? They have.
Don't pop back up.
Press in the umbrellas will pop back up.
You excited?
This is so nice.
Alex can climb up in that thing.
Alex, here, let me see your soda.
Naomi cannot.
Get up there. You think you can get up there?
Park. You can make music. Jump on it. Jump to each one. Now jump to the next one. Whoa.
Keep going.
Whoa.
Come here, Naomi. Of course, National Park is got music.
Woo! Look, there's a white one. Good job. Look, Naomi. Do it. Hit it.
Look at this one, a xylophone.
Here, Alex, come try this one. Naomi, come here. There's another one. Give one to Naomi. It's a sound park. Put your face in there and talk.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. And the top.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Hi in the sky. Me.
Naomi. It's too hot. Yeah. Play it, girl. Play it. Yeah. Woo! Making that music. Woo! Yay! Do it again. Do it again, Naomi. Do it again. Show Dada. Woo! Show Dada. Yeah! Woo! Here again. Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
Yeah.
It scared you?
A chip right here, and it takes.
It's good. Up on the ladder.
We're gonna be careful this time, and we're not gonna.
Be very careful. Okay, so now we're gonna crack our eggs in here. We don't want our shells to be in the pan, just the inside of the egg, okay? So the white part is the shell, right? Let me show you how mommy cracks an egg, okay? I'll tap them together. See that? Then I put my two thumbs right here and I pull apart softly. Okay? You wanna try? How about let's do it in a bowl first. So you can try. Here you go. Softly tap together. A little harder. Don't drop them, okay? A little harder. A little bit more. Okay, you see that? Now put your two thumbs. Not hard, not hard. You put two thumbs where the hole is. Right here. On the hole. Got it? Now push into the hole. Oh! And drop. Good job. All right. Now you got eggs all over you. Don't touch nothing. Let me get you something to clean with.
I like chickling eggs. Chickle.
No. Don't. So
I
Dada likes his sunny side up. So that means, uh-oh, I broke his. See, it broke. That's okay. So that means we crack them in the pan like this, and then we wait until they're done. We don't touch them until they're done, okay? And you cook them really slow and low.
Look,
That's okay.
they're making, the eggs are trying to make some more.
Yeah, that one broke. It's okay. Naomi, can you help? Hold on, Alex. Alright, dude. So now we just wait. We have to wait a long time for these. So while we're waiting for this, you can go do something else, or
I just want the
you're
hay
just
here.
gonna stand here and wait?
Mm-hmm.
Just Mama's a bit impatient, so I like mine over medium. So that means once this cooks a bit, I would flip. So me and you like it like that. We like over medium eggs. Okay? So next we'll do your eggs and Mommy's eggs, okay?
My eggs is gonna be a salty one.
Yes. And we'll add a little bit of salt and pepper here. You can add some to Dada's too. So get a little pinch some. Can you get your, hold on. Pinch some and put it over onto the eggs. Yeah, all over. Spread it around. Got it? Over here too. Okay, let me get that. Hey.
Can I just put that too?
Okay, a little bit more. But you're gonna put someone over here. Okay, now let me do the salt because I need to get a new salt shaker.
But look. Now this salt and pepper egg looks like Pac-Man. Hey, now this egg looks like Pac-Man.
It does look like Pac-Man.
Yeah, I want it to
See how
stay
it's
like.
bubbling so much over there? Turn it down.
I want it to stay like this so it can be a Pac-Man egg. Like that I want it to be a Pac-Man egg.
Yeah, you gotta keep your eye on it.
I just like this Pac-Man egg too. But I want it to be yellow because Pac-Man's yellow. No.
In a minute.
No.
Share, Naomi, share.
Oh, don't break it. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi.
Very focused during race.
Oh, right here, the zebra. Oh, over there, that bird. Oh, the frog. The frog.
Sorry, Chuck.
This one.
Let's move it. All hands on deck.
Oh, that one over there. Oh, there. Ah! Ah!
Oh no! Here comes the super giant meteorite!
You guys trapped. Please guide them out to the sea.
Whoa, man. Hi. You're doing great. Which other one do you want to do? Pick up a fruit. Purple? Where's the purple bucket? Where's the purple bucket? No, you don't want to do purple? Where's the purple bucket? Good! Good job! Purple! Good job! Oh, yellow. Good morning. Whoa. Are you cleaning? Optimus Mickey. What are you coloring, Naomi?
Is that a funny word?
Yeah, it's funny. Naomi, what are you coloring?
There's
What are you
pink
drawing?
Here.
Yeah, Naomi likes pink.
Yeah, Yumi likes the color pink, and I like the color
Pink.
green.
And green.
Because gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Yes.
Hit it, hit it!
I was running too loud.
Good job! Good job! Whoa! 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 Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, now she thinks it's funny.